From the title of the video, you can see that we're going to be doing some review of expanded form, and we're going to start with a number in the millions place. So let's go, I'm going to choose a different color. Let's go 6,278,434. So there's a number of different ways you can write numbers in expanded form, and basically expanded form is just breaking down the number by its place value, what each digit of the number is worth. So let's start with the 6. What is the 6 worth? The 6 is worth 6 million. So we could write that with words. We could write 6 millions. Then we move on to the 2. What's the 2 worth? In this case, it's worth 2, and it's in the hundred thousands. Hundred thousands. The 7 is in the 10,000s place, so it would be 7 10,000s, which would be 70,000. 8 thousands. 4 hundreds. 3 tens. And 4 ones. So that's how you would do expanded form with words, and we don't do this form too often. Let's go to do a different color, and this time we're going to do it with digits. I'm going to move over here so I have a little bit more space this time. So this is a common one that we'll use. So 6 million plus 200,000 plus 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 4. So that's expanded form, just using digits. In addition to that, in addition to the digits, we also can do it with multiplication. And it's kind of actually similar to this one, but it'll be 6 times 1 million, because the 6 is in the millions place. We're going to put that in parentheses, and to that we're going to add 2 times 100,000 plus 7 times 10,000 plus 8 times 1,000 plus 4 times 100. I have to go into the next line, plus 3 times 10 plus 4 times 1. Okay, that's expanded form using multiplication. Then the last one that I'm going to do in this video is expanded form using exponents or powers of 10. And we're going to use this blue one here to help us. So if we have 6 times 10, 1 million is 10 to the 6th power. And one way to help us think about that is how many zeros there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 10 to the 6th plus 2 times 10. And since it's the hundred thousands, there's 5 zeros. So this is going to be 2 times 10 to the 5th plus 7 times 10 to the 4th plus 8 times 10 to the third. So that would be 8,000. 10 to the third is 1,000. Plus 4 times 10 to the second. Plus 3 times 10 to the first. Plus 4 times 10. And if we look here, since we're in the ones place, there's no 0. So it's going to be times 10 to the 0 power. And those are some examples of how to write numbers in expanded form.